How to fix Android phone automatically goes into silent mode. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you simply need to do is launch the settings application on your device. As you launch the settings application, simply scroll down and tap on the option of sound and vibration over here. As you tap on sound and vibration, make sure that you have volume adjusted for all the different options from media to ringtone to alarm, and then scroll down again and make sure your phone is not in the silent mode. Also make sure your phone is not in the DND mode, because a lot of times DND mode also creates an issue with the volume over here. Now what you can simply do is go back and then tap on the about phone option. And then check for any updates available for your device, and if there are any, you can just update it. If not, you can now just go back and then make a long press on power button and then tap on reboot. And as you tap on reboot, you can just restart your device, and this might help you fix the issue. So thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.